Hello guys, for today's video, gumawa pala ako ng banana cake with walnuts. So, ito na yung banana cake ko. Yan, homemade. Kasi order ng amo ko na lagyan daw ng walnuts. So, ayan. May walnuts na siya. Yan siya guys. So, yummy that one. Yummy, yummy. So, try natin slice. So, tingnan natin kung maganda pa talaga siya, guys. Kanina pa to siya naluto, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan siya, guys. Yan yung banana cake with walnuts. So, yung procedure pala nito, guys, is same lang. Pero nagdagdag ako ng walnuts. Ganun pa rin siya, guys, yung procedure niya. So, that is for my vlog for today, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks, guys. God bless you, everyone. Bye.